Definition of null space. Null space. Let U and V be two vector spaces over the same field. Mapping T such that U to V is said to be null space or kernel of T if alpha belongs to U and T alpha equals to 0 belongs to V. Null space denoted by NT. NT equals to alpha belongs to U, T alpha equals to 0 belongs to V. Theorem. If U and V two vector spaces and T linear and TA and T be a linear transformation from U into V, then null space of T is subspace of V. V shall show null space is a subspace of V. Proof. Mapping T such that U to V. U and V are vector spaces and T is null space of T. Let alpha 1 alpha 2 belongs to NT, then T alpha 1 equals to 0 belongs to NT, T alpha 2 belongs to NT, T A alpha 1 B alpha 2 AT alpha 1 BT alpha 2 A into 0 B into 0 equals to 0. belongs to NT. A alpha 1, B alpha 2 belongs to NT. Thus, A1, A2, AB belongs to F and alpha 1, alpha 2 belongs to NT. Then A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 belongs to NT. Hence, null space NT is subspace of V. I repeat again, definition. By the definition of null space, a mapping T such that U to V, the F image, the T image of U is V. In this mapping, let us suppose alpha belongs to U and T alpha equals to 0 belongs to null space, because null space is that the T image of element alpha of vector space U is 0. If T alpha equals to 0, for all alpha belongs to U, we can say T alpha is the null space of T. Null space denoted by NT, alpha belongs to U, T alpha equals to 0 belongs to V. And definition of that is the definition of null space and Thorne. U and V be two vector spaces and T be linear transformation from U into V. The null space of T is subspace of V, mapping T such that U to V, T image of U equals to V, and T is null space of T. Alpha 1, alpha 2 belongs to null space, so that T alpha 1 0, T alpha 2 0 belongs to null space. The T image of A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 equals to, we can write A T alpha 1 plus B T alpha 2, T alpha 1 0, T alpha 2 0, that is 0 belongs to null space. A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 belongs to null space, and we can say if AB belongs to F, alpha 1 alpha 2 belongs to NT, then A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 belongs to NT, means null space. Null space NT is a subspace of vector space VF. That's all.